Again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Birdfy feeder camera pink screen issue. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, so you just follow this video. First of all guys, try the tab and reset method. So often the IR filter get physically stuck and just need a gentle nuke to pop back into the place. So take the camera module indoor and lightly tap the side and the lens area on the soft surface to reset the internal filter. After that, open your Birdfy app, then go to the live view and manually toggle the night vision and setting on and off few times to force the camera to recalibrate. Then turn off the camera and wait for 30 seconds and then turn it back. After that guys, reboot the camera system. A system glitch can sometimes confuse the camera light sensor. So you use a reset pin or straight paper pin to gently press the reset button and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds until you hear the reboot chime. Then pair the device back to your app if it is disconnected during the restart process. Then guys, check sun exposure and the overheating. So prolonged exposure to intense direct sunlight can damage the lens or temporarily misalign the color filter. Check if the image clearly up in the morning or evening when it's not blasting the lens. So consider slightly repositioning the feeder to avoid the direct continuous sun beating down on the camera face. Then guys, factory reset and the firmware update. If a simple reboot does not work completely, wiping or refreshing the firmware can resolve underlying software issues. So remove the camera from your Birdfy app, then do a hard factory reset by holding the power button until a solid red blue light blink. Then you reconnect the camera tab app via Wi-Fi and check your device setting in the app to ensure your camera is running the latest firmware update. So guys, thank you.